look at your exam here. Oh no, this is... wow. Okay, class, this is what not to do. Question 1, you wrote vibes where the answer was numbers. I'm wondering under what function you fumbled. This blending, no structure, no buffer. You suffer from lack of deduction. You guessed every step like you allergic to actual instruction. You said 2 + 2 = depends how I'm feeling. I'm dealing with feelings and nonsense, no logical healing. You scribbled and penciled and crossed it, then wrote never mind. I'm trying to find signs of a mind, but it's harder to find. No work shown, automatic 0, that's policy stated. You fabricated data, your whole calculation inflated. You estimated everything, nothing exact in your section. Even your name looking wrong, I'm questioning that selection. I graded your paper, ran stats, had a laugh, no surprise. Every answer you gave me just lowered my class average wise. No me being no mode in your head. The only thing you passed was the paper you never read. Let's proceed to the graph. You drew cats on the axis, no practice, just madness, no grasp of the basics of fractions. Your X and your Y had a fight and both wandered away. Now the plot looking lost, like your thoughts on a regular day. Wrote, trust me bro, I'm the proof of the theorem. I'm peer reviewing your nonsense and nothing is clear in your circular reason. Then boxed it in, labeled it done. Congratulations, you played yourself, that's a 0, my son. You a fraction improper, I'm proper with dominant form. You can't even simplify life, you just making it worse. Common denominator, you don't got a clue. I reduce all your efforts, now what's left, not you. Hypothesis wrong, your analysis gone. You ain't following steps, you're stressing the test, but you never invested in reps. Independent thought, not dependent on guessing the key. But even with options, you still pick the worst. You can see I'm marking it up with the red pen of doom. Every line is a crime, every answer a tomb. You asymptoticals to correct, but you never arrive. I'm surviving on patience, but you're killing my drive. I graded your paper, checked facts, had to double then triple. Your score so low it went negative, broke my percentile ripple. No balance in your sum, no weight in your claim. You divided your brain and got 0 remains. Final question, you left it blank, wrote I try my best. I respect the honesty, but you failed the test. You got no degree of angle, thought, or intelligence shown. Even you guessing incorrect, that's impressively wrong. You obtuse every angle, never right when it counts. I stay acute with the truth while I'm breaking it down. Parallel lines, you and knowledge never meet. Perpendicular pressure when I grade you beneath. I'm the rubric, the standard, the measure, the scale. You below every metric, you numerically fail. If this was a function, you'd be undefined. Plug you into success, get error, no mind. Final grade. We don't actually have a letter for this. See me after class. Bring a calculator and maybe a brain.